Hello everyone, this is Slowpoke here, changing up the title. And today we are going to do something I haven't done since last year, opening up booster packs. Woohoo, yeah. Okay. So we got 4 booster packs right here. We have Burning Shadows with Ho-Oh on it. We have Crimson Invasion with Barry B. Benson on it. Tapu Koko with Guardians Risings, and to finish it up, Burning Shadows with Tapu Fini. Yeah, I just brought 2 Burning Shadows because I want that full art Acerola card. Alright, let's start off with the first Burning Shadows pack. I'm gonna open it, so I'm gonna put the camera on the floor. Alright, I'm back and you can see the struggle with that. So yeah. Ooh, we're gonna get a good card in here. So I'm gonna do the card trick. It's gonna be 4 from the back. I'll leave my camera like this so that you can maybe see it. And so here's the code if you want. Focus. Alright, there's the code. 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the front. So first, dang, this is really hard. So I'll record like this, I guess. We got Fairy Energy, Weakness Policy, that's a weird name. Oh yeah, my boy Fire Anteater, Curlia, Inkay, Ladybah, Caterpie, I love him, Sandgas, the legendary everyone wants, Alola Ninetales, I love her, Porygon Z Holo, you know you got that holos up in here. Alright, next one, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Here's the code. And alright, we're starting off with Metal Energy, Aether Paradise Conservation Area, Stadium card, Whimsicott, Beware, Phantom, Cast Form, Nosepass, Delibird, aka Santa because winter's coming, Rockruff, Barboach, the legendary card, Probopass, that's alright, because we got Nosepass right here so it could evolve. Third one with Barry B. Benson. Here's the code. Alright, first, Fire Energy, Diggersby, aka the Fat Bunny, Mawile, Count Catcher, I think that's a pretty good card, Numel, Nice Starly, Skittle with the Fantastic, Pikachu, Houndour, Bunnelby, we could evolve now, the legendary card, Milotic, Holo, that's a pretty good. Last one, Sun and Moon. Alright, Burning Shadows. I hope I get something good out of this one. Right here you can see the struggle with my cards. I don't think we're going to get anything good out of this. Here's the code. Alright, so we got Fairy Energy, Simipour, Rotom Dex, Pokemon Finder Mode, Po-Town, Wimpod, Alolan Vulpix, the Meowth who stares into your soul, Riolu, Alolan Grimer, Weavile, which is our legendary card, and